welcome to Da Nang, welcome to another hot, beautiful, late summer day. It is blue skies, guys, it's hot, hotter Da Nang in the high summer. We're gonna take a stroll and trying to stay in the shade somehow. It is very nice and it's great weather, to be honest. It's even better if you go in the water or onto the beach, but I choose to walk around. So this here, An Thuong 34, it's a long street and there are a lot of vintage jewelry stores and a lot of some kind of small boutiques. Very interesting. Maybe for women to shop here. Look at this. Pre-loved clothing, bags, and even more here. I think this is the new shopping district here. Of course, the pavement is not there to walk at the moment, but still, it's pretty easy to walk around here. You have some spas, some hotels, some monthly rentals here as well. You can have tops, bottoms, underwear. Rust rack, vintage clothing. I think there's more and more here going on. And we have a new barbershop here. Kinda new. The T barbershop. Haircut, 150,000 dong. This is finally done with the renovation. Interesting. I'm probably gonna be another vintage store in there. Jewelry. And all those little side streets as well. So this is An Thuong 34. If you wanna come here with your missus, she can go shopping here and you can sit there and have a coffee. Or you go shopping. I'm not judging, guys. Hey! This is one of the rare BMWs here in the city. There are not that many BMWs here, guys. I can tell you that. It's very rare. Those are not that rare. I really want to test drive it. I got all my driver license things set up, so I can actually drive now, and I will test drive it soon. VF3. Available room. It's noontime right now, so it's like very calm here in the streets. Like the majority of people are probably inside AC rooms or on the beach. Now another BMW. Now I see them everywhere. But also very new modern X3. I'm wondering if they opened the bar or not. You remember we walked by here one time. It doesn't look like it's open. The G bar. Whew. Sleepy Pup is over here right now. They moved from An Thuong 9.
I think there's nothing of interest in there for you.
An Thuong 40.
No alcohol.
This is An Thuong 40, you guys. Whew. Lots of coffee shops here. There are 4 coffee shops in this little radius of 20 meters. Literally every corner is a coffee shop. And then opposite. You have Eric shoes now there. It's pretty interesting for people who want to buy some shoes. There's a Peugeot, a French car, super rare. Woo! My God. It's hot. I think if you cannot handle the heat this time of the year, you should not come to Da Nang at all. And if you wanna stay longer in Vietnam, you should maybe look into some mountain regions. Maybe Da Lat or something. If you cannot handle the heat at the moment, no bueno. But if you like the heat, that's the best time. Don't forget to electrolyte, hydrate, get electrolytes in. I'm gonna go home and actually get my new electrolyte powder with creatine. We have a German partner now, and I'm very happy I got this new electrolytes. Whew. This is the Bikini Bottom, the brand new one. Huge place. But also not that full. I think it's really low season. Hi. I will definitely go now into Windmart and get some drink. First I'm gonna get a water and then I will head home. But as you can see here, new apartment buildings here. They're all done now. And if you like to play video games, they have PlayStation 5, MetaQuest 3, Netflix, YouTube. I think it's great if you wanna play some I think it's gonna be packed. As soon as the new GTI 6 coming out, it will be completely packed. What is that? Stroll in and hug. Body care, natural scents, gifts and souvenir. Okay, interesting. San ramen. Let's get something to drink. There's also a coffee shop. Whew. There we go. Nice and cold here. Should I get a normal water here? I don't know what this is. Sometimes I gotta be always looking out for if there's like potassium or something. I think this is a spring water. I think that's the right one. I'm 100% sure. But I'm actually gonna get a warm water. I think it's better because I'm gonna chug it off completely. Whew, nice. We gotta throw it away properly. Okay, now let's check out some side streets here. This is always super interesting to me. Sometimes there are some gems in those little side streets. You never know if you don't walk them. That looks like a new spa. I think somewhere that has the bao place. You can get some baos, freshly steamed gua bao. Very tasty, guys. So they cut open the bao and then put in some meat or something else, whatever you want to have in there. It looks like a second hand, or I don't know. It's not open yet. And lots of t-shirts, retro vintage t-shirts. That is also in this street here. We also have some salmon place, all the way in the front there. And I think this is a new place here, M. Not sure what it is, but it's right next to a very good pizza place. Bravo Pizzeria. It's a Vietnamese who lived in Italy. And he came back and opened this. At least that's what I heard. Souvenir shop, okay. So what do we have here? Vintage. A vintage shop. That's also new. There was some kind of restaurant before. Now it's a vintage store. Interesting. So that's basically the new vintage street here. Okay. So that's An Thuong 24 and Phan Thuong Duin. This is also home of a few famous restaurants, to be honest. Tiago, it is one of the most rated restaurants here. But I know why, because they had like a sign with please help our students who work here and leave a good review, something like that. Very heartwarming story to get a lot of reviews. That's why they have so many reviews, yes. This one. Tiago. But what is more interesting is this one, salmon, Japanese dining. I tried it out in the city center one time. It was very good. Nice and cozy, cute. But yeah, this whole street here, on the left side there are a few of those vintage shops. And what is that, workshop and studio? Booking, tour agency. And you never know what kind of restaurants that pop up here. Foco. Huh. Tattoo. Luxury house. I guess you can rent this house here. But I feel like some stores are actually closed again. That I saw the last time, or 1 year ago when I walked here. I felt like there were more vintage stores. Huh. This is also where you come out, Estrella. Also a nice hotel here. Estrella, opposite of a famous pho place, Pho Thin from Hanoi. But I do, however, think the other one in Soncha is better than this one. But who knows, sometimes they change over the time as well. I actually need to have a pho again. Okay. Guess that's new too. Maison Ming. Interesting. A brand new building. We're back at the crazy streets here, guys. Whew. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you in the next walk.